How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about a Japanese technique for hair growth. So I have a question from a subscriber. They want to know how to get their hair longer. At the very end of the video, I will give you guys this secret Japanese technique for your hair growth. But before we get into that technique, the way of doing it, the Japanese way of doing it, I want to give you guys beforehand a lot of tips that can help you guys too with hair growth. So it's not just the one Japanese technique. I will give you guys lots of tips. So this video will be a decently sized video just to help you guys out more, because I love helping you guys out. I love giving you guys lots of tips so you guys can try all of these tips and not just have one tip. So let's get into it. So the first tip that I'm going to give you is you want a diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. The reason for that is because your hair, it's just like your muscles. It grows. The more protein you give it, not necessarily to a high extent, but the more protein that you give your body, your hair is going to grow longer. That's why I always get from people, they're like, how in the hell do you have a haircut like every 3 weeks? I eat lots of protein, you guys. My hair grows like freaking crazy. Every 3 weeks I'm getting a haircut. My hair can grow all the way out in 3 weeks. Like seriously, 3 weeks I need a haircut, or else I'm starting to look like really scruffy on my head, you guys. So protein does help, believe it or not. It will help your hair follicles. And vitamins and minerals, I mean, that's overall for your overall body health. It will help your hair as well. 2, castor oil. People don't really know about this, but it's rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids, so it does promote hair growth, believe it or not. So what you want to do is, all you want to do is massage it on your scalp and leave it there for 30 to 45 minutes and let it do its magic. So castor oil, a lot of people don't know about that. I've tried that myself. It does work, trust me. 3rd tip, stay stress-free. So if you notice those guys that are always stressed out, they're always mad, they're always thinking to themselves, you ever notice how they're all like completely bald on the top of their head? That's because they're too stressed out, you guys. You gotta remain calm, remain stress-free. People are gonna be like, well, how do you do that? You can do yoga, just breathing exercises. Overall, you gotta change your lifestyle. It's all about your lifestyle. Stress does disrupt normal hair cycle though, you guys, and it triggers hair to enter the telogen or the fallout phase. So you don't want that. You do not want to initiate stress, or your hair will fall out, and it is proven. So if you just think, oh, stress will make my hair fall out, oh no, that's the myth, that's on movies. No, that's true. That's actually proven by science, you guys. Okay, 4th tip to get your hair to grow. Herbs, that's right, herbs. Rosemary, nettle, horsetail, sage, all of these promote faster hair growth. Rosemary especially stimulates hair follicles. So what you want to do, this is going to be the 5th tip, is you want to steep the herbs in hot water for 10 to 20 minutes and use it as a final potion after you are done shampooing and conditioning your hair. So shampoo your hair, condition it, then steep these herbs 10 to 20 minutes and then use that on your hair when you are all done. That is an amazing way to promote hair growth. It actually works. People have done it. They have made videos on it proving that it does work. So again, all of this stuff, nothing's new. It has been done before and it does work. So if you guys want better hair growth, do it. As simple as that. Okay, the next step, tip number 6 is going to be aloe vera gel. Leave that on your hair for 20 minutes and that's it. It will promote hair growth. Some people are wondering, aloe vera gel, are you kidding me? Aloe vera gel is probably the best thing that you can ever have. I love it, especially for sunburns. I get lots of sunburns because I'm too stupid to put on sunscreen and I never learned my lesson. So I'm constantly using aloe vera gel. Wonders. It works freaking wonders. That cooling effect, but it also affects your hair growth. You put it on your hair, 20 minutes, it's good to go. Okay, let's talk about that Japanese technique now, this magical potion that can help hair growth. So it's going to be egg, honey, and olive oil. You mask it all together, put it on your hair for 10 to 20 minutes, you guys. As simple as that. Japanese people have been doing this for a while now, and it does work. Why does it work? Because it promotes hair growth, you guys. It's as simple as that. It works. It has been proven. They do it lots. So yeah, I gave you guys 7 tips. Hopefully you guys do try some of these out. What I like to do when I get any tips or when I try new stuff, because I do try these stuff before I tell you guys, I have tried all this stuff and it does work to some degree. Some will work better than others, and some won't work for some people. It's as simple as that. And I do recommend these for other people as well. And other people tell me, certain people tell me, they're like, oh yeah, like the egg, the honey, and the olive oil worked really well, or the aloe vera gel worked well, but some people will be like, yeah, the aloe vera gel didn't work that good. So I mean, it's going to be different for every people. I recommend picking 1 or 2, trying them out for say until your next haircut. Maybe you get a haircut once a month, once every 2 months. Try it for a couple of months. Notice if your hair grows back a little bit quicker. So if you try it for, let's say, a month and your hair is already like you need another haircut, well, guess what? It works. But if it's like 2-3 months and that's when you usually get your haircut, well, maybe it didn't work that good. So try a different one. See how long that works. That's what I do, and I've noticed that the egg, the honey, and the olive oil works really well, you guys. Super good. So try that out, and remember to stay stress-free, stay calm. Things will be better in life. As simple as that. So end of video. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Also, if you guys are interested in online personal training from me, my email is in the description box. Send me a quick email and we can talk more details. Thanks, guys.